My name is Henry Green, and I'm from Farmington, Utah. Utah State has always felt like home to me. My mom's a professor here, so some of my earliest memories are running through campus buildings, spinning in office chairs, and tagging along to events. Even back then, I could feel how welcoming and energetic the Aggie family was. What really sealed the deal was attending the Utah State University Leadership Conference in high school. It's this high-energy, invitation-only event where hundreds of student government leaders from across Utah and Idaho come together to grow their leadership skills, connect, and get inspired for the school year ahead. I was super involved in student government, and this conference connected me with other students who shared that energy. It gave me a glimpse of what campus life could be: fun, connected, and just full of opportunity. USU also recognizes more than just grades. Because of my academics and involvement in high school, I earned 2 stackable scholarships that made college way more affordable. USU offers scholarships for leadership, service, academics, and more. There's something for everyone here. When I started college, I had no idea what I wanted to major in, and that was okay. My advisor helped me align my interests with the right major, which made all of the difference. With over 300 degrees and certificates and incredible advisors, USU makes it easy to explore different paths and still stay on track. Today, I'm double majoring in communication studies and philosophy with a minor in leadership and management. I've already presented research with the Utah Academy of Science, Arts, and Letters, and participated in some unique communication labs. Labs can look really different depending on what you study. It's not all white coats and test tubes. Sometimes it's about understanding people, navigating tough conversations, or exploring how we connect. Outside of class, I've gotten super involved, whether it's competing in the Mr. USU pageant, joining the Sigma Phi Epsilon fraternity, planning big events like homecoming, hosting a talk show on Aggie Radio, or welcoming new students as part of the A-Team. With over 200 student-run clubs and organizations covering everything from cultural groups to totally quirky hobbies, there's something for everyone. And if not, you can even start your own. Logan is a true college town. Everything revolves around student life, and it's easy to get around. You're close to hiking trails, Salt Lake City, and even weekend trips to other states. When I'm not studying, I'm probably playing video games with friends, heading to Bear Lake, or catching a concert in Vegas. Lately, I've been working with the Career Design Center to map out what's next. They help take everything you learn, both in and out of the classroom, and turn it into real-world experience through internships, resume support, and interview prep. It's not just about getting a degree, it's about being ready for what comes after. And no matter where I go from here, I know I'm prepared to take the next step.